Instead, that's met by a tough play by Lindholm. Now Svechnikov able to get it to Aho. Aho back to the point, work to Slavin. His turn, they score! Deflected out in front
to score goals. Both guys there, it's a perfect tip between the legs.
Back to the point for Necas. Played along the boards, Niederreiter to D'Angelo. D'Angelo, he gets it back. Shot by Niederreiter, they score! The Swiss missile finds the back of the net. Svechnikov heads to the bench and gives a lane for Hall. His shot's a rocket over the top of Ronta. Domi helps deflect the puck forward. It's Trocheck. He's got Teravainen with him. On the one-timer, he scores! Oh, what a shot! Turbo time in the playoffs!
Cassidy talking to his bench right now, trying to get his line set up so when he does pull a goaltender, they'll have the advantage.
Trocheck will storm a new score! Oh, what a wicked backhand! Let's hear it for Vincent Trocheck. 4-1 Carolina. Can't handle the loose puck. Marchand has it taken away by Slavin. Slavin able to work the puck forward. Now it's Aho. Empty net. Aho across the ice. Bingo! Andrei Svechnikov. 5-1 Carolina. Canes ratcheting up the physical play. Stahl gets to it. Uses that big reach to get to the puck. Stahl turning across for Boston. Scores! You can tell that these two teams don't like each other now. Slavin has it behind the Bruins' net. He'll get it back up for his defensive partner. It's D'Angelo. Tries to get it through. They'll score! Put it on net, youngsters.
He reads the pinch in, he controls it, he gets it back to his deep partner, Tony D'Angelo, then the shot comes through.
Back to the point for Bergeron. 57 seconds left in a 5-on-4. Teravainen, D'Angelo. Oh, one-timer! He scores! A power play goal! On a short pass, circling the net, off the boards, D'Angelo. D'Angelo looking, exchanging spots with Teravainen. Hits that net front, rebound, Ullmark, still loose, they score!
Looks like he's got the hat trick. He may have just missed it. Maybe Niederreiter.
Slavin gets the stick in there. Again, Cole doesn't have one. Loose puck. Kochetkov might have got a skate play to it. Canes looking to clear. They will. Hustling after it. Niederreiter. Empty net. Bingo! Ice crew as the Canes will throw this puck into the Boston zone. Kept in at the point. Smith shot right on, deflected. They'll score! Oh, what an athletic goal for the Hurricanes. Vincent Trocheck. Canes lead the best-of-7 series 2-0. Bruins lead game 3, 4-1. Boyle's clearing attempt kept in by Slavin. He'll score! Put the puck on net, Jacob Slavin.
Life difficult for the Carolina Hurricanes. 2 shots there on the power play for Carolina. Now a chance out front, they'll score! As Stahl finds Pesce, and Pesce rips it through Swayman. Puck sent into the corner. Fost will play away from Riley. He's got Stahl drifting. He'll find D'Angelo. Now Niederreiter behind the Boston net, sitting out front, they'll score! The captain, Jordan Stahl. And 33 seconds into the period, the Canes get the lead.
Settled down by Aho. Now D'Angelo walks the blue line. He'll shuttle it over to Slavin. Slavin with room. Hit shot right out. It trickles up. Score! Just 45 seconds in, D'Angelo. Teravainen thought about the shot. Trocheck sets it up for D'Angelo. Back to Teravainen. Up top. D'Angelo, one time, he scores! D'Angelo, seam pass across. Now it's Aho in the bumper. Swayman with the save. Still loose. And the score popped in. Seth Jarvis takes the hit. And another power play goal for Carolina.
To the bumper guy, Aho. He gets the shot up high. Swayman can't squeeze it. Jarvis continues to compete. And then it's followed the bouncing puck.
Aho up top, D'Angelo. D'Angelo's got a late bouncing shot. Swayman doesn't see. Rebound, they'll score!
Jarvis is second of the game. Knocked to the boards. Grizzly sends it to Coyle. Coyle out in front. Puck bouncing free. Canes will get it. Played off the boards. Trying to get it for Trocheck. He'll backhand one. Bingo! Vincent Trocheck into the empty net.
In knocking things away from the forwards, forcing them to dump it in, but the defense has to look for those holes jumping up.
Jarvis finds Svechnikov. He scores! Andrei Svechnikov early in the third period. In a battle out front trying to get position. Now Necas with it. 2.5 left in the game. Cross ice. Svechnikov to score. On the power play. Necas to Svechnikov. His second of the game. Canes. Trocheck. Trying to circle behind the net. Get it up top. Slavin. Skate to stick. They'll feather one side of the net. Up front. They score! Teuvo Teravainen!
Wearing number 28, very similar to Ian Cole with the amount of shots that these guys eat around their goaltender, helping them out.
Domi puts one in. They'll score! Oh! Max Domi! His first career playoff goal! Ronta might have gotten a piece. And his left post got the rest of it. Now Trocheck. He'll let it go. Set up for Domi. He scores!
After competing, battling, fighting for 7 straight games, you respect each other to shake each other's hands and say good luck. And thanks for the battle. Because that's what it is. Right to the end of the buzzer right there. The Bruins were coming. It was tighter than the Hurricanes wanted, getting those chances. But it's that compete factor, and both teams should be extremely proud of how they played in this series.
They're 2.5 away from getting blanked for the third time. Here's another great chance. Aho! Scores! Sebastian Aho has tied it with 2:23 to go. One-timer by Smith, blocked out in front by Trouba, has been on a long time. They score! Ian Cole, the veteran defenseman, just threw it at the net, and it got by Shesterkin.
Cole's already down at the goal line. He jumped in earlier for a long pass. There's no real Carolina pressure to the front of the net. Ryan Lindgren is standing here. It goes past Lindgren, past Shesterkin.
And now another good shorthanded chance for Aho as a man breaking toward the net. It's Smith, and he scores! Brendan Smith, a shorthanded goal, and it's 1-0 Carolina. 15 seconds to go. Panarin forced back by Fost. 5 seconds to go. Long pass picked off, and an empty net goal by Aho. Puts it away with 1.8 to go. Centering pass. Kreider tried to bat it out of the air. Turning and leading the rush. Stahl. Some room for Niederreiter. Backhand scores! It gets through. Shesterkin, a save he would ordinarily make 99 times out of 100. Sean McDonough, Ray Ferraro, Emily Kaplan. Our producer Josh Hoffman, director Bob Frattaroli, and they score! Off the turnover. Teravainen roofs one in the top left corner. And Carolina's on the board. Trouba hears some boos. This crowd didn't like the high hit on Domi in game 4. Here's Stahl shorthanded. Centers one, and they score! A shorthanded goal. Trocheck. Jarvis. Down low, they score! Teuvo Teravainen ends that power play drought.
Rangers get in the zone. They don't get anything out of it.
Here's Svechnikov. Svechnikov scores! And New York leads 3-0. They've now outscored Carolina in the 2+ games in this building, 10-2. Brady Shea's shot. And it is a goal for Carolina.
Seth Jarvis and Brady Shea.
Poked deeper by Pesce. Pesce on defense now with Shea. Brady Shea up high. Throws it on net. It was deflected. Rebound. Score! Brady Shea sent it toward the net.
Below the goal line, Shea's shot's deflected, and this goes off the right knee of Ryan Lind.
And Shesterkin out of the net. Got himself in trouble. They still couldn't score. With a wide open net. It was Aho who didn't convert. Now they do. D'Angelo might have been deflected out in front.
To keep the puck away from Aho, you see his body just sag. He can't believe it. And then D'Angelo moments later, well, the motivation might have been an issue, or the energy in March. Not going to be now.
Domi scores off a rebound to get them within 3 with 3:47 to go.